Alright, so I just got a big box of broken systems from my buddy Charlie at Game Trader 2. So there's my shameless plug for that. Thanks, Charlie. So anyway, got some really good stuff in here, looks like. Alright, first couple things that draw your attention, probably. Blue Game Gear. Actually, I've been looking for one of these. Probably just needs a cap job done to it. If nothing else, I actually don't have a blue shell, so I might actually salvage that and put it on one of my many black Game Gears I got. Yeah, the biggest one I'm happy about here is the TurboGrafx 16, which, not gonna lie, I already worked on this a little bit. I already got this working, so it needed a capacitor replaced, and then I was gonna show. Actually, it was still had a dirty disc insert, and I'll show how I went about fixing that. And we'll set that off to the side. Okay, got a couple PS2s, Slimline. This is a later model on top. It's actually got the AC built into it. Alright, got a 7800 here. Not very familiar with the 7800s. Be interested in seeing if I can get this working. Is this distorted or no output? Okay, so, alright, so we got some video problems there. Probably capacitors, I'm thinking. Very cool. Model 1 Genesis controller. Oh no. Oh boy. Yeah, we got some rattling going on. Alright, so it's probably something that can be fixed. If I had to take a guess, thinking it's probably, I don't know, severed wires or something there. Just needs a decent solder job. You'll notice with these, they got the red buttons, so you know it's a early Model 1 Genesis controller. These actually go for a little bit more, I don't know, just because I guess they're a little bit more rare, but anyway, I'll work on that. Yeah, we got some third-party PlayStation 2 controllers, it looks like, which, not gonna lie, probably not gonna spend just too much time on those. And third-party, oh yeah, it's the SuperPad 64. Don't leave home without it. Or please do. Right. PlayStation 2. Could be a number of things. What's wrong with that? Oh yeah. Got a Model 2 Sega CD, which these are notorious for the capacitor going out in these, so that shouldn't be too big of a problem. Hopefully. I've never actually worked on one, but that's generally what's wrong with these. Okay. Alright, some more third-party controllers. Oh man, that's great. We got the Gaming Edge. Yeah. These are high-dollar third-party controllers. You can tell by the fact that I've never heard of the company before. So, again, it's probably junk, and I'm probably not going to spend just too much time working on it. But, you know, if it's an easy fix, I'll fix it. Okay, what do we got here? Got a GameCube. These are pretty notorious for the laser eyes start kind of going out on them. So we'll just try to work on cleaning the eye up, see if that'll do anything. I know he's got a sticker on there thinking red is not good. So that's pointing to the power. I don't know if that was intentional or not, but anyway, we'll see. It's kind of odd. Oh, they must have had the Game Boy adapter on the bottom of it. 60 model, or 60 gig model, Xbox 360 hard drive. This is probably trashed. The plates probably got moved around while it was functioning, and the plates kind of got scratched up, so this is probably trash, unfortunately. But, you know, I can probably use the bezel for something, for another hard drive or something, maybe, if there's any interest in that. Ooh, boy. Alright. First gen Game Boy. Yeah. Again. I might work on it. It's kind of nice to have the back plate, because generally these get lost. So, if nothing else, for parts, it'd be kind of nice to have that. Same deal with this. Again, maybe not necessarily worth working on, but something I can set on to the side. I mean, if I get it working, I get it working. If not, you know, whatever. But these will probably be kind of low on the totem pole. Obviously, the TurboGrafx 16, like the Sega CD, and the Game Gear were kind of the ones that are top on my list, just because, well, personal preference anyway. And got another Model 2 or Slim PS2. You know, nothing else. Again, kind of cool to have the silver case. So, you know, might be able to salvage that if I can't figure out what's wrong with it. Chances are, again, laser lens. Pretty notorious for going out on these. Okay. PlayStation 2, fat. Again, probably laser lens. This is missing. Might have drive tray problems with sticking. But we'll see. We'll see what we can do.